Hello, this is Dr. Bo Ellis, and I have a Wave Pro here. And as some of you may know, vibrational technology accelerates neuromuscular growth and development. Simply put, you'll get better results faster with any exercise that you do on a vibrational plate. Irregardless of what type of exercise you're doing, whether it's for endurance or muscular hypertrophy, you'll get better results faster. I'm not going to show you anything about muscular hypertrophy. That requires a lot more intense exercises on vibrational. You have to do things a lot more carefully because it is more challenging to do the exercises with vibration. Anyway, I'm going to run through a series of beginner, intermediate, and advanced thigh exercises or quads. And the machine I have set for one set of 30 seconds, and I'm just staying with a frequency of 35 hertz at low amplitude. All right. So the first one's going to be a beginner exercise, and what you want to do is you want to stand with your feet shoulder width apart again, and this is a beginner one, so we're not going to do a full range of motion. We'll do a half range of motion. Here we go. Make sure you're close enough to the machine where you can make sure your knees are don't go past your toes, and you're going to squat down. Okay? Now we're not going to go past 90 degrees at all. We're just doing a simple exercise. Nice and smooth, nice and controlled. Always keep a bend in the knees. 5 more seconds. And there we go. All right. We're going to do a little more advanced technique. And we're going to do a lunge. Same thing, one set of 30 seconds, 35 hertz, low amplitude. Make sure your feet you're centered in between your front and your back foot. And then when you lunge down, make sure that the knee in front does not go past the toes. Okay? It's just nice and simple. Just down and back up. You can use your arms if you want to get a little bit more neurological input to your brain. And that's how you do that one. Of course, then you want to switch sides and do the other leg as well. We're going to go to the advanced thigh exercise, which is a one-leg squat. And just like before, you're going to grab onto the bar, somewhere comfortable. You're going to get the foot that you're going to use, and you're going to make sure that the knee does not go in front of the toes, okay? One set, 30 seconds, 35 hertz at low amplitude. 90 degrees is about all you really need to do. You can go further. It causes more stress on the knee and the joint. If you're healthy enough and you can handle that, that's just fine. Nothing wrong with it. If you want to be a little bit safer, don't go past that 90 degrees. Nice, smooth, controlled movements. All right. I'll finish the other side so I'm not imbalanced after doing all these. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions and stuff, make sure you email me. I'm always available for wellness consults, personal training, or whatever it might be. Thank you very much. You have a great day. God bless you.